What is a high-yield savings account? A high-yield savings account is just like a regular savings account, but it pays you more interest. It's a safe place to store your money while earning a better return than you'd usually get from a standard bank account. The name high yield just means it pays a bit more interest. It doesn't necessarily mean it's risky. In simple terms, it helps your money grow a bit faster without needing to take big risks. Why does it matter? Because even small interest differences can really add up over time. Let's say your regular savings account earns just 0.5% interest. A high-yield version might offer 4% or more. That means your money is working harder without you having to do anything. It's especially useful for emergency savings, short-term goals, like saving for a holiday, a new car deposit, or just a rainy day pot. And it's still considered to be safe, often covered by financial protection schemes like the FSCS in the UK or FDIC in the US, up to a certain amount. While it won't always beat inflation, it can help slow down how much your money loses value over time. Here's a simple example. Let's say you've saved £5,000. In a regular account paying 0.5% interest, you'd earn about £25 in a year. But in a high-yield account paying 4%, you'd earn £200 just for leaving it there. That's 8 times more for doing exactly the same thing. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a smart way to boost your savings with zero effort. What else should you know? High-yield savings accounts usually come from online banks or fintech apps. They often have lower overheads so they can afford to offer better rates. Some may have limits or conditions, like needing to deposit a certain amount or keeping the money in for a minimum time. And while the rate might seem high now, it can change, especially if the Bank of England adjusts interest rates. Also, watch out for introductory rates that drop after a few months. Always check the terms carefully. Another useful point, these accounts usually pay more interest than regular savings accounts, but less than investing in shares or funds, with much lower risk. Unlike fixed-term accounts, you can often access your money when you need it, making it flexible for short-term savings. And remember, this is still a savings account, not an investment. The returns are modest, but the risk is low. To sum it all up, a high-yield savings account is a safer way to grow your money faster than in a regular account. It's great for emergency funds and short-term savings, and a smart step for anyone who wants their cash to work a little harder. Just check the terms, stay realistic about returns, and enjoy a bit of extra interest with peace of mind. These accounts work in a similar way across countries, though the name or protection scheme might differ. In the UK, it's covered by FSCS. In the US, FDIC. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.